Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to delete a sheet from your Google Sheets in the Google Sheets application. But before I do that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay? Now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application right now. I'm currently signed in into my freshly created brand new account. Uh, let's say I don't like this sheet here called copy of no. You have to choose your own sheet which you want to remove. You just have to click on these three dots right next to it, at the right side of it. After that, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you see a thing called remove. Tap on that and it will ask you if you want to move it to bin. You just have to click on move to bin. Now you delete it, but if you want to access it, click on these three lines at the top left corner of your phone, click on bin, and it will automatically be here. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.